from an online shop called 4D, and I got it now. And it is a mirror cube. And I ordered a golden one, so that's good. And let's see it in the unboxing. It's gonna be unboxing, and then I'm gonna say what about it and stuff, and then I'm gonna make another video, my first attempt solving this cube. So let's get into the unboxing. So as you've seen, this mirror cube is really so good. Look at this color, it's gold and shiny, and one turn you make it shape shifts, and the other turn you can see it's like not a cube now. You can make it back, and the S-moves, they work on this cube. And by the way, it has grease or some kind of oil on it, which I hate, and it comes on my hand, so I got rid of those two Chungus glasses, and now I have better glasses only for this one. And it is really smooth because of that grease like thing. It's so smooth, it's just so good. I don't know why, I just want to turn this every time. Oof, this is so good. How does this even work? How am I gonna solve this thing? It's gonna be so hard solving this. As most work. Let's see if this thing work. Should I scramble this? No, right? Oh no, I'm not. I don't know. How do I solve this if I scramble it? I'm gonna make another video. First time trying to solve this, first attempt solving this. So for that video, I'm going to scramble this. So why am I waiting for it? Let's just scramble it. Oh my gosh. I don't need to do this. I'm not doing this. Oh my gosh. No, I have to do this. I have to do this. First of all, let's check if these moves work on this. Okay. R, U, R prime, U, R, U to R. Look at this. Alright. Now I'll do it again. R, U, R prime, U, R, U to R. By the way, I have bought more cubes and I'll be making more videos on that. U, R prime, U, R, U to R. R, U, R prime, U, R, U to R. Not bad. Maybe you don't need this glass. I'm gonna try it without my glass. I'm gonna remove my glass. And now I'm gonna try it. U. It's not bad. U, R prime, U, R, U to R. R, U, R prime, U, R, U to R. Oh, let's go! It's working! So this is just like a normal 3x3. I'm gonna solve it and I'm gonna just try to make a cross or anything like that. This is not good. Oh my gosh, look at how it changed. It's not a cube anymore. It's some kind of chungus. It is a chungus cube. Really, this cube is so good. You guys have to try it out. I bought this from for deal. It's worldwide. It comes anywhere. I think it's the best place to buy is Daily Puzzles. Go check it out, Daily Puzzles. And that's it. Oh my gosh, I just scrambled it so bad. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This is so scrambled. Should I try solving it right now? Maybe. First I have to... Yes, I got that piece. That is correct. Now I have to... Oh my gosh. Maybe like that. No, not like that. Oh, that's right. Yes, that's right. Maybe that's right. Oh my, what the hell? No, I'm not gonna solve this thing. I'm not gonna do it. I'm just kidding. I'll try this solving this. Let me see. Maybe I should. I don't have any idea. So this cube was really cool, and so I'm gonna be putting a video on first attempt. So that's it. Oh my god. So guys, you have seen that the mirror cube is really cool. One of the best cubes, and of course it is a non-WCA cube. You guys have to try it out. It's just so good. The working 4D lens just like around 2 kg in Kuwait. So in America or somewhere like that, it should be around some kind of $5 or $6, around $5 or $6. I'm not so sure, but look at this thing. Look at this. This is so good. I did not expect this to be like this, but it's so good. I knew it's gonna shapeshift, but I didn't think it's gonna be this hard because it's a 3x3 too. Maybe I had to learn and I understand how hard it is, or how easy it is. But anyways, guys, if any of you know how to solve this mirror cube, you have to comment down below. So I'm gonna put a link. Oh my gosh, I almost solved the first. No. Alright, so I'm gonna put a link in the description. There is a link in the description of the daily puzzles. You can go and get one of these if you want. And that's it for today. So like, subscribe, put the bell so you stay updated with my new vlogs. Bye bye.